Staying motivated every day can be challenging, particularly when life becomes overwhelming. However, there are several strategies that can help maintain motivation and drive, no matter what the circumstances. The first step is setting clear and achievable goals. Breaking larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks can make the path seem less daunting and more attainable. For instance, if your aim is to write a novel, starting with setting a goal of a page a day can keep you moving forward without feeling overwhelmed. Next, it's essential to find a routine that works for you. A dependable routine can provide structure and purpose to your day. Even small rituals, like starting your morning with a cup of tea and a 10-minute meditation, can set a positive tone for the day ahead. Additionally, surrounding yourself with positive influences can greatly impact your motivation. This could mean associating with people who inspire you or consuming content that uplifts and motivates. Engaging in community groups or forums centered on your interests can create a support network that encourages progress. Another key element is rewarding yourself for successes, no matter how small. Celebrating these victories can be a great motivator and provide the encouragement needed to keep pushing forward. It could be as simple as watching your favorite movie or treating yourself to a day out. Moreover, maintaining physical health is critical. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep contribute to both physical and mental well-being. These elements bolster your energy levels and mental focus, laying the foundation for sustained motivation. Practicing mindfulness and stress management techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or journaling can help keep stress levels in check and prevent burnout. This practice can increase your self-awareness and make it easier to stay focused on your overarching goals. Finally, remind yourself of why you started. Reflect on your original reasons and desires, keeping these close at heart when times get tough. Writing them down and placing them where they can be seen daily can serve as an ongoing reminder to stay committed. Incorporating these practices into your daily life can create a framework that supports ongoing motivation, guiding you towards achieving both personal and professional aspirations.